Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you guys for always checking on my channel. So today guys, I'm here for a very amazing hair growth mix, so and today we have fenugreek. See, fenugreek, I've made already this one, so I have to explain to you. I have fenugreek and I have some cloves. As you can see, you're going to see how I'm gonna make it and in that process. First of all guys, fenugreek is rich in nutrition and proteins, which stimulates the and helps in the hair growth. And again, the cloves are the, in fact this one I don't know how even to explain it, because it's the best in the antioxidant that can help even when you have dandruff. And remember, dandruff can causes the scalp to be weak, and yet our hair, and it also causes our hair to fall. So if you mix this fenugreek and cloves, it will give you the super and powerful the powerful oil for your hair. It helps in the growth, it helps to fight the hair loss, and yet it makes your hair strong, no falling again. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to click on the bell so that whenever I post you can see. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how we can make fenugreek and cloves oil for massive hair growth. When you use this one, your hair will never stop to grow. And I'll be putting, first we're going to fry it a bit on fire. I will be putting 2 spoons from here. This is 2 spoons of fenugreek. Then also I will be adding some 2 spoons of cloves. So guys, as I told you, we have to fry it a bit so that it becomes dry. It also makes it more how do I see? It also makes it more effective if you put it first on fire a little bit. See, now the fenugreek is becoming brown. So guys, from there I'll be adding some coconut oil in it. So guys, I used the coconut oil, but you can also use any carrier oil that is good for your hair. I'm using coconut oil because it's too effective on our hair. It promotes the hair growth and it fights the hair loss. It's also good on the dandruff. So it's better to mix it with this beautiful ingredients. So if you have avocado oil or you have olive oil, you can also use that kind. So guys, now we are going to remove it, because it's not good to leave it for a long time on fire. Only 10 minutes on fire, then you remove it. So guys, when you remove it, you have to we leave it a bit to cool down. As you can see, it's cooling down. After cooling down, I'm gonna show you how to the next step. So guys, I've got my beautiful plain glass bottle, so where we're going to keep our oil. This time no need to filter now, because this one, the more we leave it, the more it will become more strong and effective. So I'm going to put it in here, and I put it in here. Okay, as you can see, wow, we are going to keep it here for 3 to 4 days. So guys, our oil is ready, as you can see. So as I was saying, we're going to keep it here for some days. Then after, you can start using. You just get a little bit and you apply it on your scalp every day. You can use it every day. It's leave-in, it doesn't smell bad, it's so effective. You can use it every day. You can apply on your scalp and then on your hair. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and share and comment for more videos. Thank you.